It will be hard to talk after being woke. What a boy to restart. No, it's not. So I'm not sure even what to say. Welcome back, everyone. I guess. I keep saying that even though I don't have followers. I mean, you know what I mean. I mean, like you know. But hey, I was planning to work at 8, but don't you love it when you cannot sleep in a deep state? And they stay half awake, half asleep, and you think you're awake, but actually you're asleep? Miserable. No, I'm telling you, miserable. I thought I was awake most of the time, but actually it's 11. What the hell? So I wasn't awake for 3 hours on a bed, but I was asleep like for 7 or 8 hours on the bed. Or something. I don't know anymore. Anyway, I feel terribly tired. And I was planning yesterday to start streaming again. As you can see, I'm not sure what am I doing. Because, yeah, let's talk about that. Because the timetable is starting to look ugly. I mean, at the first few weeks, they look fine. 7, 7, 7, 5.5, 6, and then like, what happened this week? And look at that, 2.5, 4 best. I want my 7s back. The thing is, when I work for an hour, usually I take a break for around 30 minutes, 20 minutes, then work for an hour, then take a break for an hour and a half, then work an hour, and then feel freaking tired. I need to return to my old way and I try to work and have only 10 minutes break in the middles. The thing is, actually yesterday, if I didn't take a break 20 minutes after the first 10 minutes of work, I wouldn't be able to solve one of the issues I was working on. So the last thing I was working on is a machine gun. I'm trying to make it an exceptional code without having an exceptional hard code. What I'm trying to say. I'm trying to make the machine gun to rotate and heat up without making an exception in the hard code of the game to say, hey, if you're a machine gun, heat up, don't shoot. So, actually, this is the only line left inside the game. Actually, there are two statements, which is not data driven for the weapons. If somehow actually there is a way I can get rid of this as well, but I will have to take the conditions and put them into the player actions, sub actions. Alright, there is a way, but now let's start the timer. Oh, let's take a look on the tasks first. Is the microphone on? Let me check. Is the microphone on? The microphone is on. Oh yeah, I done this. So what I'm doing is when the machine gun come up and you start firing, actually I have several animations that use the same continuous attack called fire continuous or fire C. Here, this one. The request of fire C, which means fire continuous. But I made a variable in the weapon that decide which one in order, which animation order should work. So I made it to rotate first, and it used v1 is equal to 0, and whenever it rotates more, it increment the V1 to give it another animation. So I made it a rotate, a faster rotate, a faster rotate, faster rotate, then it start firing. The problem is the order of the functions work is first the animation work, then it check the attack, and then it check the script of the attack. But if you don't have bullets, it won't fire the attack. So I solved this issue by adding a dummy attack object, the thing that holds the attacks, and put it in a script instead of making it as a hard code. I'm trying to use the engine capability as much as possible. So this one actually I done it last day. The last day, yesterday. The thing is, the only reason I stopped working yesterday is my parents arrived home and I needed to go and visit them. They returned from a long trip. So actually this one was working, but I changed something. And this one is working, but it wasn't balanced. So let's test the last thing. I add something at the end. Oh yeah, I made the weapon when it attack, it heat the weapon up. Because I screwed up a lot of things. I'm trying to make the weapon, if you don't shoot with it, it slow down. And I'm struggling to make it reasonable. I mean, you don't want to stay on the machine gun for 7 minutes before you can fire with it, you know? So, I'm not sure if even I copied the game file or not. So let's start the timer and hopefully this works. If this works, I have two options, either to work on the flamethrower, which I doubt I will do because I'm getting sick of working on weapons, or, oh man, let me turn off the sound for the bullets. I don't want to hear it every time I test while I'm talking. Play sound, where are we? It should be here. Yeah. So there might be a good chance that I will start working on actually the original plan to finish the stupid shop. It's funny, it's taking forever, and this is only the first mini game. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated with the shop and thing. So this is the machine gun and this is the heat. And when I press on it, you see it's heat up and it start to shoot. But you can see that the heat is struggling. The thing is, I didn't make it to check if the heat go down. It return to older state. I feel it need a lot of checks, damn it, but it seems I need to do it. Oh yeah, now I remember why I didn't do it. Because it's not easy to check. It's not that easy to check if the attribute exists or not. Maybe I should add a function for that. You see, this is what I need to go through to check if the attribute exists or not. Actually, wait, only the, oh, this is the prototype now. Okay. But this thing is private and I don't want to make it public. So maybe I should make a function that check this thing. Alright. Initialize, tag initialize. Job related. Public bool as attribute. Maybe I should give the creature object the same functions later on. String. The thing is, I don't want to add more functions to the game engine objects already. I mean, I have tons, millions of them already. But I need to stop complaining and start working. Yeah. Return job equal to null false there you go. Now I has tribute. So here again, this is the feature of the machine gun. I'm not sure if I'm going to reuse the same variables for different aspects. So I'm really not happy with this. Oh yeah, I remember now what I was going to do. Alright. I was going to recalculate the AV2 whenever you shoot. Yeah. Silly me. Now I remember. Then I don't need to use a condition. So, oh yeah, you can add another freaking script, damn it. So I can do this. Do you want to do this? Yeah, let's do this. You don't want exceptions, then you need to add scrap. So when we shoot, if I can figure out where is the right place for that. This is the animation. It invoke the shoot. So it's in attack. We go to the machine gun. We go to shoot. And here in the tag. Oh wait, it does attack heat up. So it should recalculate. Alright. I'm sorry, I quit testing before I write down or think about what I was going to do, and that's what happened when that happened. Delays. So let's start testing it. So we should, when we slow down, let me give myself this stupid machine gun when I kill one duck. And the shotgun when I kill two, no problem. Oh wait, that's will reverse the order. Oh well. So let's test this stupid thing. It doesn't work immediately, I don't know why. Oh. Oh crap. Do you remember when I deleted a line in the update? That's actually the slowdown for the time. What have I done? If I do C, this will do it every 20 ticks. I deleted this one, silly me. I thought that was checking if it is a weapon or something. But no, that was the first condition, which I deleted long time ago. Welcome to the show where I rehearse everything. I wish if it's shoot immediately. I don't know why. What's the wait up? Yeah, it heat down, but well, it's acceptable. It's heat up really freaking fast. Maybe it should be like this, shouldn't it? I mean, I want the player to feel the heat up, but you know what? I believe it's acceptable. Oh, because I removed the condition. No, no, no. I don't know why he... What did I do? Oh. I'm sorry. It seems the caffeine didn't reach my head first. That was the initialized dummy bullet, but I already add them script wise. I should uncomment this one to see the heat down numbers. Yeah, if it can heat up immediately, it will be perfect. So you see it's 25 and nothing happened. But it slowed down. Yeah, figured, because I changed the order, damn it. I could check by the name, if the weapon name, but I was too lazy. That's the heat down now. So when I stop shooting, see, it heat down, but the increment is by like 6 or something, so... Let me make the increment by like at least 2 points less. More acceptable. And it's an effective weapon too. It should shoot once, then stop, rotate. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. The way I want it. The way I freaking want it. Alright. Success. Something. Alright. So let's remove the prints. And have some coffee to celebrate. Damn, wasted 13 minutes on this. Just to rehearse what I was doing. Yeah, next. We will try to make the weapons purchasable. Great. I should add the flamethrower sometime. I'm trying to figure out what I should do next. Maybe I should remove these letters because they are meaningless now, because I'm in the second week and I still couldn't finish B, which was supposed to be. Yeah, I hate putting milestones in short times. I always screw it up. I always feel, yeah, let's try to make this production as fast as possible, and but need to put as much detail as possible, but screwed up. And then I crashed and I burned. Yeah, seems there's no way around it. The thing is, I'm trying to figure out when should I add the flamethrower. Maybe I should stop lamenting weapons. 3 weapons is more than enough for now. Even though I have the animation and everything for the flamethrower. No, I need to work 2 hours and add it. I need to test this crap. Yeah, before I test the game with the players, let's do that. The thing is, I should remind myself, this is the freaking a mini game. It shouldn't be a full-fledged game. It should called mid game. I don't know. I mean mid game. That's another concept. That's totally what I'm trying to say. I want to make mini games, but not as short as WarioWare mini games. I want them to be bigger. Yeah, I will try to finish at least this one today. So actually, this is the 4th day. Damn. I don't think I will be able to finish this, but let's make it D+. Yeah, let's take a look. So this is the shop. This is the info panel. This is the selective weapon. And this is the shortcut pad. I need to add the number of weapons you have in here in between the name and the weapon. I might need to add the ammo as well, so you can refill your ammo for your current weapon. But what I want to add is a huge GUI in here to list the weapons you can buy. Either a GUI or make it the back of the background. And here where I wish if I worked on hiring an artist to agree on that, because yeah, let's not do a background for now. For the, I will just add symbols. I'm not even going to add weapons, ammo, whatever. I'm going just to add a weapon symbol, its price, and buying sign, dollar thing. That thing might be a GUI, so I can press it and interact with it. Then I need the one for the ammo too. The problem is I didn't draw any ammo, nor a purchase button. So yeah, I reset in my computer yesterday for a stupid update. Oh wow, I start to feel tired already. Focus, you need to focus, you need to finish this crap. So what we were going to do. Drawing again, damn it. No, not them. This is an old folder, it need to be deleted. Actually, no, yeah, deleted. So if we look at the weapon, let's unlock both weapons. Oh, let's unlock both weapons to see. Oh yeah, I reversed them. It does take a long time to heat. I told you it will. Its accuracy is really bad. It's worse than the gun twice, by the way. And it shoots really freaking slow. And it ran out. When you reload, you lose 10 heat as well. Actually, I killed a lot of ducks. That was a good shot. Yeah, the trick for the animation to finish with the reload, it's not a trick, it's like symbol design thing. It was a very good idea. So here we can change the weapon as you can see, but only with the keyboard, the machine gun, the shotgun, and the gun, and it's try to put it in the middle horizontally, but not vertically. Actually, the arrows, I couldn't make them align, but oh well. So it should be the same in here, but this is 64 by 64 size. This is how the weapon look like. Should I make the purchase button 64 by 64? That seems excessive. Maybe I should make it only as big as this thing, which is around 32. Yeah, 28 by 32. So let's make it 32 by 32. Don't you love this crap? Don't you love this crap? Damn it, really? 1 pixel? Damn. Do you know what? I changed my mind. Actually, I wanted 30 by 30. I completely changed my mind. Happy? So, oh. This one doesn't have a freaking. Of course. You cannot just copy the thing and base it. Are you crazy? You must reselect it first. So where is the position of this? So this is 30 by 30 and it's not at 9:15, 3:05. $9:15, 3:05, I believe. Yeah, and the size is 30 by 30. I'm not sure how to spell purchase, nor I care now. Let's do it the most lazy way. Ta-da! Why should I worry about it? Just do it like this. Just look really freaking ugly and sad. Let's just make it black. Now it's look evil. Evil Knievel. Where is the stupid? Right there? Oops. Better? No, doesn't matter. Oh, now I know why. Because it's not connected. Talk about screwing up in many layers. Yes, good as shit, good as shit. Didn't I say I need to make it as simple as possible? It's a placeholder, so screw it. Just a few seconds ago. No. You're making it worse every second. Stop. Okay. Okay. Are you making it worse every second? Alright, PNG. Hopefully the phone call. Hopefully my phone will shut up and no one will call me. I need to finish this. So let's stop the assets. Oh wow. Can I talk today? Can I? Let's change the assets for the map simulator first. Then we will change it for the game engine. Excuse me. Why do I have these? Damn. I shouldn't need to use these guys. Especially this one, need to be replaced someday. And this one. Alright. Now this is the issue. I can bring the weapon using the throw command in the duck games. But the GUIs always will be above it. So I need to be careful. That's number one. Number two, how do I want to make, when the mouse go over something, it show the info of this thing? So maybe this will be funny. No, this is really funny. I was thinking of to add a weapons manual in here. Oh wait, you cannot add a weapon unless if it is an item. A weapon as an item. I don't want to add item info to the weapon now. Screw this crap. Because I didn't add an item for gun 1. Yeah. No, screw this crap. Screw this crap. I don't want to deal with this crap. I was thinking to add the weapons to the shop as an actual weapon on the shop. So when I point the mouse on it, it will use its own description for this weapon. So it won't just do tricks to get the info. It will just take it directly from it. But because the system, the game engine, I need to tell him what's the item is, how it's look like, how the player react with. Screw with all of that. Nope. I'm fine. The other way is to make objects that hold the look of the weapon and bring them out. The other way is to just throw them on the screen, but in that case I won't be able to let the mouse detect them when it hover over them, unless if I just memorize its location in a static list of rectangles and use that list to get the info. Usually I take a short break at this time. So what's wrong with GUI? The thing is, I need to think about a way to add and remove these purchasable from the weapons shop easily. For example, maybe you need to kill 100 duck before you can see the flamethrower purchasable in the shop. So I need a way to easily unlock these things. And maybe later on when I have more weapons to show, I need to make a way to scroll down as well, without making it look super ugly. And no, I don't want to make a specialized class to do that. And you need to make a purchasable should I make the main menu hold the data for the shop itself as well? Sometimes I feel, yeah, I want to add the shop info in here, inside the GUI, the main menu, but it seems wrong. This is just GUI. It's kind of hard to, oh, wait. Never mind. I was going to say it's kind of hard to locate the instance from the priority list. It's not hard to just, I need to search for it every time, and I was like, oh, no, okay, shut up. You know nothing, Mr. Black. How is that even possible? Okay, I'm wasting time now. I'm just wasting time. So why? Let's make some buttons. Let's make some buttons. And I'm going to lose myself in these buttons. First off, how do you decide how many weapons you want to show? So it's better to be a list, and I don't want to track them by using a field. I don't want to do that. Should I make them a dictionary? Do you know what? Show the stupid buttons and then I will deal with it. Yeah, I almost laughed yesterday when I read something on Twitter. Someone replying on someone else saying, yeah, you should only write the final code from the first time. And I was like, oh boy. Oh boy. As I said, I'm really against the idea of having the weapons as buttons or labels or MC or whatever. But I'm afraid I might do that. But let's for now do purchase button list. No. Money, purchase, but the PPO is already taken, but yeah, whatever. Let's do it. Alright. Can I do that? If you unlock a weapon in the shop, should I remove it? Maybe the order shouldn't be memorized. Maybe I should print the order. Depends on the weapons inside the shop. In that case, I need to turn the sucker into drawable. Is it called drawable? It shouldn't be drawable MC, yeah. Wait. Are you sure? Just wait. Do I have any drawable in here? I want to see something. Here. I doubt I have any drawable in here. No, the selector. The selector is drawable. This is not what I'm worried about. What I'm worried about, the initialize of the location of these suckers. Let me check something. Alright. The thing is, this is a control unit. No, it's not. I removed that thing. It should be work as a control unit down. Only it is the duck shop is drawable. The labels and buttons are not, and the priority list is taking care of them. So you can see them when you play the game. Because the menu component main class take care of drawing of these guys depends on their location. Only this guy is taking care of itself, which means I shouldn't add these to the priority list. So this guy take care of them, not the priority list. Speaking of, I should make these not affected by the transparency later on, or they will look ugly. So before we do draw, we need to add a way to add these weapons. And I'm afraid might need to add a way to stop my headache, to add a way to remove them or something. Now this is the question. Should I make the shop accept any type of weapons and sell it? I repeat. Should I make the game shop accept any type of predefined weapon and add it, including ones that shouldn't work with the game? Yeah. So we could make a category. Do I need to turn a weapon into item? Then I can add him to category. Yeah, I made a huge mistake in here. I didn't call them game one, gun one, or duck one game. It should have a part of the game in their name, because later on when I have 20 mini games, how can I tell which weapon work with which? I should fix that too. Let me think about this. I need to cook a little bit. Oh wait, the name key. No, this is the job, not the name key. So I could accept based on the job, you say? Wait, this is the prototype. But all prototypes consist of weapon. Oh man, don't tell me I need to change this. Yeah, I might need to change this. Give me a second. Criminal select. Let me test my old code. Will it be able to change the name of the file without screwing up? I mean, the job plan. So let's go to the skills, go to the weapon, pray. Yeah, I have a lot of screws up. This one should be game one, player plan, not player plan game one. I have a lot of screwed up. Remember, this is only one game, but I'm organizing the data inside the one game data to work as an arcade that have mini games. Pray, save. So we changed the name of the job plan weapon into game one weapon. Now the prototype should have crashes figured. Alright. Do you hate this? Yes, I do. Oh man. What if the map already used these prototypes as a unique prototype, not as out of the shelf prototype? Then I cannot fix that. But at least let's make it layer 1 fix at least. My games will be as buggy as hell. Oh. Take it down. I don't know what the mono Android design package issue is, but recently he's screwing up with me. Did they update something or something? I don't know. Say hello to the old code. If no, it's the update for the CPs. Okay. What did I do? Yeah, this place is a little bit hard on the processor because we have millions component in this page. I might need to go through all the prototype. The problem is how. Who have prototypes? Every freaking thing. Wait. Don't I? Nope. Job plans can be used by any sucking thing. Oh boy. So I need to go through creatures, weapons, and objects. Only? Isn't there? Oh no! Pray. Be patient. Items can have classes? What the fudge? Why? Why? Oh, to use the attribute system in the base formulas. Okay, whatever. But these are the initial prototypes, so I don't need to go through the objects. But that's the problem. If I have a map and I add an edited prototype in there and then change the name in here, it will screw up that map. So yeah, this is not the only flaw I have in the game engine. There is more flaws in it, and I'm not sure if I should fix them or not, but let's do this. I'm not even sure how I'm going to do this. It's a class. This time it's a class. But wait, aren't the prototypes saved separately? Yeah. Give me a second. Because these guys have only a reference to it. It doesn't have the real thing. Oh boy. Hello. I haven't worked on this section for a while. Didn't I copy that? Copycat. Copy. Thank you. If pk value job plan AR contains key. What's a job plan AR? It's a list of string only? Huh. That will make things easier. I guess. Great. Yeah, the only problem is when I add them in the map and edit the values and make a special kind of prototype that will saved as is in the data, not just as a name. It will be hard to track it down. I might need to add a new utility for that. That will change the names of things in the data of the map and in the game file at the same time. But it shouldn't be in this page because this page is the creation of the game file. It doesn't exist yet. So I need to make it outside as a tool just to show you how much work this thing can have, and it will never be finished. Never. Never. So we need to change this into game 1 weapon and go to the prototype and select gun 1 and look at that. Save. Close just in case, even though I shouldn't need that. Edit. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, where am I? Wrong place. Now we can use the name of the job plan that the weapon have and check if it has a job plan called game 1 weapon. Then we can add it to the shop. But we are not done yet. Let's see if we screwed up the game. I don't think so, but you never know. You never freaking know. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh. So far, so good, and it's working. Oh, I need to reload. I need to make a test later on how many bullets and ducks can I have. Actually, I'm having fun with this machine gun. I just need to add a lot of info, like the rotate voice, the rotate sound. It depends on the rotate state, because we have four rotate states, but it doesn't show because the animation contains of 2 frames anyway. It become faster, but yeah. One problem I have, when I reload, I can change the weapon. It should not change the weapon when I'm reloading. So let's see, I can change it. So this is bad. Transparent problem, yeah. I believe I deserve 10 minutes break or more. So we finished the step. Next we will work on this, but first I need to be right back. Let me check if OBS still hold my old crap. So programming, be right back. And timer. Oh, this is the main timer. No problem. So the main timer, let's make it into 10, and that timer will make it into 300. All right. Damn, am I 10 minutes late? Oh boy. Or I don't know how many minutes I'm late. And that's why I don't count my break as work time. If I do, I only count the first 10 minutes. Actually, the water's still heating. I will make some tea and be right back. Man, this fry really smell good. Smell? So I'm late as usual, but that's why I started the stream actually, trying to reduce the time of breaks. Because I know I'm taking too long in my breaks. And that break my time record of being lazy. So I will not apologize. No, I should say, uh, I won't say sorry because this is my strategy. Oh god, that's awful. Forget about it. So I don't feel like working, so this is the end of the stream. Goodbye. Just kidding. Imagine I need to work 5 hours more. Oh well, let's see about that. So first of all, let's remove the timer, remove the be right back. Take a deep breath. And return some of the screens to their former glory. Damn, I'm saying big words these days in the big wrong way. Oh yeah, this crap. Yeah, I'm mentally not ready yet. Let me just play with my T-tag. No, don't go that far. I haven't made tea for a long while. It shows how serious I am. Should I have a banana too? Yeah, let me have a banana too. Oh, it's a little bit black inside. No, it won't fall. Oh yeah, I'm around 10 minutes late, damn it. I'll try to carry with myself a timer next time before I leave the room. Yeah, the boiler took too much time as well. I even turned it off before it finished. So let's start working. So I'm trying to take a function, implement a function inside of the frickin' shop that take a weapon class calm down. Let's take a look on the weapon class. Maybe I should send an object instead. Can I have some privacy with my code for a second? Thank you. Oh wow, what the hell? Figured. Figured. Yep, the class doesn't have a prototype. Because the same weapon with the same code can have different prototypes. Oh boy. But I don't want to clone. Let me think for a second. It has a name key, it has a description. But I won't be able to check if it has a prototype or not. Unless, yeah, why not? Name? Boy, this is troublesome. This is... I know, I'm the owner of the game, I'm the designer of the game. I could make it do whatever it wants. Well, I'm trying to add some protection on myself and give some possibility to add more weapons in the future without screwing up big times. You see, this is the weapons names. And to be honest, I might change them into Game 1 weapons too. Because I don't think I will have another, well, maybe, yeah. Think for a second. But I wasn't thinking. Don't say it. Don't say it. Yeah, this is the real question. Do I really have to change the weapon names? And why? Oh, 6 minutes wasted on this. I'll remember that till eternity. I'm asking the wrong question. How long will it take to change it in a safe way without screwing up big time? So let's try to change it, and if it fails, I will not change it. Alrighty. Yep, that's a big screw up. Cancel. Actually, I have a problem with weapons have a different name, and it screwed me up heavily, and it took a lot of time to fix. Not a lot, but yeah, 30 minutes is a lot. Oh, fuck the chick. Didn't I say I shouldn't swear? Anyway, let's recap a little bit. So I want to add a weapon, and these weapons should add the ammo and the purchase buttons. So 2 purchase button and a weapon icon. Do I need to know where this weapon icon is? Now, well, of course you do. How do you calculate the mouse or hover? I don't know. Sigh. Let's just try to do it. Is it? Hmm. No. No. Hmm. No, this is the trick. For now, let's make it, I hate you. And I hate everything in life. Wait. Is it? No. The size. The size is say. How can I get the weapon idle size animation from the weapon? The weapon is considered the class, not Yusaka. Not Yusaka. Seaside. Damn it. No, we have only one side in this game. I forgot how deep is this engine sometimes. Kind of side, yeah. But yeah, I know. Do you feel it in the air? The dark atmosphere of anger and sadness. Ding. Okay. Be patient. Be patient. Holy fucking potato. Alright. Oh man, okay, whatever. Whatever. Um. Let me add the function here when I click on. Copy paste. Copy paste. Copy paste. So we are going to let one of these buttons that should move the weapon to the right, and let it add a weapon to the shop. So duck shop or the shop, add weapon. Wait, yeah, game core, current game, weapon AR. Just to make sure that we're not screwed up with this spelling. Shotgun. Pray. So it did. And we already have 3 of them. Then why don't I see them? Oh, did I need to override or something? Nope. Just like that. I don't think I screwed up in any of that. Just in case. I raise. Did I add the shop to? Yep. What did I do wrong? No, it doesn't print them at all. doesn't even check. Hmm. Hmm. Join, and it immediately shoot. Because this thing is adorable. Is it? Yeah, it is. Duck is adorable too. Why it didn't fire? Wait, because it's false. Okay, okay. Let me think. Let's make it into doesn't have an image. I believe that's what I did in here. As I said, I changed some stuff. Before, I have something called control unit. Then I removed that idea. And I'm not sure if I remove it or return it again. I'm fucked up. And I have a headache now. Just congratulations. Because I'm kind of forcing myself to work. Kinda. Let me see. I don't see anything says that has enough. Oh yes, because this thing has an image of first place. So screw me, screw that, screw everyone else. So what I'm going to do, let me check again. Does it check if it has an image or no image? No? Good. So we're going to say that the shop has no image. Congratulations. Way ahead of you. And when we open the shop, I believe this one. Let's give it a try. Let me turn this timer off. Not the work one, no worries. Ta-da! First of all, it's a little bit too far than what I wanted. Second of all, I'm not sure if I want a name somewhere. To show, hey, this is a weapon you can buy. We could make a frame for them like this. Yeah, there's a lot of things in my head. I'm not sure how am I going to make the info show when the mouse over to it. I need to make it part of the game, part of the control manager with the mouse. Number one. Number two, we need to take a prototype actually. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Mm. I'm thinking to make a class to represent all the four of them. Let's do that. Um, weapon icon button. Purchase button label. What the fuck? Anyway. I need to make better names. This is ridiculous. I'm not sure. How much should I sell the ammo? Should I make an icon for 10 ammo? Should I make an icon for all ammo? Should I have no clue. But for now, let's try to focus on this. Actually, it's called job object. Damn, time fly fast today. What's wrong? I'm in the wrong section. Oh boy. This one. So I need the prototype for the price. So when we add a button, I need to save the prototype somewhere, don't I? And the weapon too. I could make a weapon object and then try either to clone it or create a new weapon using the weapon object class name and the prototype, or just to save them separately. The thing is, if I wanna use weapon object, I can replace these two with that weapon object. Yeah, let's do that. What should I call it? A headache, that's what I should call it. I need to middle-wise, make it a weapon in the middle of the height too. Hmm. Let's call it whatever. I'm just tired. I'm lowering my head. I'm thinking. Oh boy, I will hate to do this, but. Do you remember we add two weapons already? Weapons objects to the user when he kills something by using create weapon functionality. So we're going to do that. I need to take a shortcut. So the name should be, oh boy. Oh boy. Well, it will use the default prototype. So let me replace this and this, and oh boy. Shop in shop. So it will use the default prototype, but here why is not happy? Oh, because I changed the variable name. Great, let's take a look. Oh, let's see. It will has the same name. Well, let's screw it up if I add another one with the same name. No? Alright. Because these are not part of the map, so they don't live in the dictionary. That's why we are not screwing ourselves up, even though it has the same name. I might, when I purchase one, it change the name. Actually, it will recreate a new weapon with a new name and new prototype. So it shouldn't be a problem. Now you made me think about it. Should I add weapons with different variables like Diablo, like blue weapons? And no, no. Let's not go that far. But it is possible to go from there to do this. Because this is the first actual game I'm working on. I'm adding a lot of features that can be reused in other games, yeah. So I can make this function a little bit more difficult, a little bit more complicated, and it's in the class, just like what I deleted just a few seconds ago. And the prototype depends on the prototype. The weapon can be more rare or less rare, because the prototype contains the skills and the attributes for the object, and formulas as too, which I didn't start working on yet. So we need to change this into for int I. Now let's try to add the weapon purchase icon and add a function to buy the weapon. Actually, don't forget to add a listed weapon too. This will add a reference to it. That means it won't die. Yeah, even though should I save it first, but I'll save it at the end. I don't like to see shorter codes before the longer code. Yeah, you might see this a hypocrite. No, no, this is different. I must add the objects to the priority list at the end. Forget it. Anyway. Whoops. Where am I going? It's part of the stupid... Calm down. The GUI. The menu component. Is shift broken now or what? Why it doesn't do... Calm down. Why do I have this old crabby good for nothing? Anyway, calm down again. This time we will use the GUI. It should be on the same height. Oh, wait a frickin' second. Yeah, I should add that last. Yeah. But I need to put it in front at least 70. So, 90. it should be visible. No script. It's not a real. Actually, I can make it real. No, it is not. It's not. It doesn't exist in the dialogue dictionary. The info. The info here. The width is 30, 30, 915, 305. GUI. Oh crap. Oh, it's the freaking same. No, it's the button itself. Okay. GR. Okay. Test. I forgot the parentheses. And there you go. These are buttons, but I didn't add a code for them. And here we can add one. Do I need to add another button? Yeah, for the ammo, but freaking wait for I don't want to say count -1. So there are two ways. Either if I make just a new integer and call it count, and then we use this idiot because I don't want to do calculation every time. And yes, I can make the integer outside so it doesn't reuse, but actually I tested this many times and it seems the compiler is smart enough to know if you're reusing a variable over and over and it doesn't take a space. Besides, how many times will I call this function? 100? 200 times? Seriously, I mean, yeah, I can imagine myself just copy the slide and put it out. Calm down. We need to add a click. Boy, do I love this. No, I don't. Oh man, I need to add a joystick click too. I believe the main menu doesn't let me test. I believe when I let one of my brothers test the game, he couldn't start the game with a joystick. I don't have any joystick connected. Great. The cable is way too long. And then they want want me to show all my work and not even a video in 10 minutes. People make them into a GIF image that loop in 3 seconds. All this freaking work in 3 seconds. No, no, no. Can't do that. No, sir. Okay, now I'm playing with the joystick and click on multiplayer. It worked. Now why did my broken users? So this one is not, even though the menu itself says, oh, you clicked on me, and he got on the top priority, but it didn't click on the joystick. I must click it on the mouse because I didn't add joystick to it. So I need to add joystick in here. And it's easier later on to make functions or even actions, man, and make everything dynamic here, and let both of them point at the same function. I don't remember the parameters. I add drag already? Oh, for the 5. Okay. Why is not happy? Does not? Then what does? Remind me. Oh boy. Menu component, position, player, action, and joystick number. So component, position, player, joystick number, action. Okay. All right. Here. Let me, when I do click, let me print something. I hate myself. The button doesn't know its position. Unless... Think. I could use the name. Yeah, I definitely could use the name. Actually, look at this. Let me get rid of this string. And then parse the current number from the name itself. And do the same thing in here. But the difference is we are using MC. Right. Oh, wait. So let's add a weapon with the mouse, and let's give us a joystick and add a weapon with the joystick. Nothing happened. Okay, calm down. What went wrong? If I kill myself, nothing good will happen. If I go to arcade, no, think. Game. Game frame. And go here. What did I do different to make this work? What the frick? Oh, this is the assignment for the function. Well, maybe because I assigned the joystick before I started the game, but yeah, yeah. Let me check something. If I hold the mouse, nothing happened because how can I make it mouse up or joystick up? Because here, if I click only once, it's considered all the time. Action. The action is A, but actually the action is A only when it's pressed once. So actually it's A, right? Yeah, right. Now it doesn't want to work. That's with the mouse. With the joystick, it doesn't want to work. It doesn't even detect that there's a function call. I don't get it. Now it worked all of a sudden. What the hell? It was Fire C. Still in the game. Oh yeah, the player is different. This is a duck game. It should so I should use fire because the action here is fire, not Fire C. Okay. I don't know why it didn't work before. Wait a second. Calm down. This is the player, but we are using player duck now. I see. So if it is fire, oh, Fire C. Okay. Oh, I forgot to give myself a joystick. There you go. There we go. Only when I click once on it. Okay. Even though I'm the one who built the system, I'm the one who keep forgetting about it. Still not done. But I remembered I need to add something too. We need prevent the weapon to get changed when the current weapon is reloading. Shouldn't be hard. Actually, I should do it in the last 2 minutes of work. for this hour. So here. If the current weapon is not done with firing and is not done with reload, then it shouldn't be able to change it. So let's test that. Let's test that. Now I have a shotgun. I can change it. Oh, sorry, machine gun. I can change back. Okay. Yeah, it seems one of the numbers was not full. I was... Oh, it wasn't fire rate. Okay. So let me reload and try to change. Nope, I cannot change. Now I can change. Let me try to change while I'm firing. Nope, you can't till you finish fire. If I reload, I can't change perfect. Till he finish reload and finish fire. Okay, that was short and sweet. Is that how to spell recoil? No idea. No idea. So we add buttons to the shop and the weapons, and the way to add a weapon. Actually, yeah, this is I'm working on, but not done. Let's not color it yet. Let's not celebrate yet. Add buttons for purchase. Let weapon purchasable. So we need to do these 3 in the next hour, and hopefully we will have time to work on this step to use the shortcut in the shop. Oh yeah, I must log in with a player first, then I can start a game. So here are the shortcut for the weapons. The mouse is kinda sluggish. It's faster outside, yeah. So when you buy a weapon, you will be able to change it here. So, but you need money. I need to do a lot of crap. Add icons for money, score, silver and gold to the profile MC. Add the current weapon attribute as an extra text to show how many weapons does the player have in the shop. So I need to add a label for each of the 4. Yeah, let's take another bathroom break and a walk break and make tea break, and hopefully I'll take my watch this time. My damn, I can't talk today, can I? I'll take my cell phone. It should be 2:20. I shouldn't take too long. So another Be Right Back is coming. 216. See, this is way more productive when you force yourself to work by streaming. And see you in 10 minutes. Damn. And back on time, I guess. Game is 10 seconds late. More. uh, well, I don't feel like working, but I need to work. I need to work. You need to work, Mr. Jerk. You need to work. Is the microphone on? And the microphone is on. And the icy is on. And it's so icy. Too icy, actually. Even though I'm on in time, but I'm not going to start immediately, would I? I don't think 1 week will be enough for all of this. I was scaling based on this work. How many days should it take to finish all of this? I don't think I will finish this before the end of the next month. Before the end of this month, I mean. The thing is, I need to prepare for Zanga at least a week before it starts, at least. Because I have a handicap. I'm using my own engine. So should the Zanga start at here? No? 17? Really? I thought it was 14. Oh yeah. Anyway. Because I need to find an artist and try to let them aware how I work and try to introduce him to everything. Not everything, but how to manage the work between me and him. And that will take some time. But now let's worry about this. So let's start the timer and start working. Is the microphone on? The microphone is on. Let's see. Yeah. I thought the code for the game will be shorter than this. But still, I'm adding a lot of features. I might too. Yeah, I might take this. And I'm really not a big fan of doing this. Adding functions before the main function, and so I'm going to take this. And add all of that outside. And move this to an earlier stage. Maybe before, but no, let's keep it here. Because I'm going to add two functions. I need to make sure to call this before the draw happens, or it will crash. So I should set the weapons before, or clear the weapons before I start the shop. Yeah, I need to remove weapons, but I don't know. Should I make weapons have limited numbers? Like, oh, you bought this machine gun, goodbye. Nobody can buy it anymore because you just took it out from the shelf. There's a possibility, but I need to make a lazy deletion. So whenever this thing finish, it check if there's any object need to be deleted, then it just, because I'm looping, that's why. I'm sorry, my brain is not functioning. Um, I was thinking about doing it other than the lazy deletion. I always do it, but hey, all the game works like that. After this finish, or the update finish, I call the lazy deletion. There's no way around it. So we add oh yeah, we didn't test this. Did we? So if I click on this, it should print something. Weird. Oh, because it's not part of the priority list. Damn it. I hate myself. And do I have to? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Unless Wait. I printed the labels and I made them clickable in the selector without having them part of the priority list. Yeah, this is not working. I'm really distracted. Um, hmm. Oh, I made the component clickable. But the component doesn't have a size, does it? Oh shit. It's the whole thing. Yep, it's the whole thing. As clean and simple. So I have two solutions. Either to add these buttons to the priority list